मस्त लेडी मॅम थेंगडोरी नसल्याची बोलतात. आता लाता रे Thengdori ngashisu.
Tiket sahari
Tara punta nih.
tiket sahari na. मेरा डांस को लगती है
आसे
Can you fucking mic, man? Mic, change. Make some noise! Okay, that was a good Tamil, but with some low bass. Let's get some bassy Tamil. Are you guys ready? Make some noise. Punjabi beat. Hello. Okay. Make some noise for my guy. Make some noise. Make some noise for the Let's go! This is hip hop. Make some noise. Woo! Make some noise for Cheyenne Day. Make some noise. This shit is about to turn crazy. Make some noise.
Okay, so I think our judges on the way.
Hello.
We about to start the finals.
Hello, B.
Okay, so music. So hello. So the MC for tonight we have Alec Paul. Let's give a round of applause for Alec Paul, the host and MC of tonight. Let's go.
Make some noise! Make some noise! Make some noise! यहाँ पर कितने 22 साल के अंदर है? हाथ उठाओ, हाथ उठाओ, हाथ उठाओ, हाथ उठाओ, हाथ उठाओ. You guys are dead or what? Make some noise, man! Get down! Make some noise! Shout out for the man! Epic on the mic! Mapping on the mic! The best MCs over the town! Shout out to my boy, Brown Boy! Shout out to Art Academy, D Farishta. And now, we got the judge. Play the track, hey yo DJ, play the track, man!
बंदिश तू मोड़ दे मंजिल है
Make some noise for the judge!
है आसमान
Make some noise for the judge!
Right now
Make some noise for the judge! India's best dancer season 3 finale from Sony TV. Make some noise for the judge! Stand up! Shut up! Make some noise! Make some noise! Take out! We want to talk this shit crazy! Make some noise for the judge! Okay, that's better, man. Abhi, as the show has started, we have a good news. The judge is going to perform live. Make some noise. Make some noise. There's a crazy fan moment fan movement over here. Felicitation, the judge for tonight, RK Academy presents Hall of Fame 2023, Norbu Taman from India's Sony TV. Make some noise, make some noise, make some over here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Photo. Oh hi, पीछे का गेट खोल दो, let them come in, let them come in. Let's feel the vibe. Tonight is going to be crazy. The judges arrived. Your MC is all here. Throw it out. Just wait a bit. Chill out. Okay. Gana bajao. Stage, clear up the stage. Clear up the stage. No more spit. Kali.
So guys, make some noise for our today's MC. Awake on the floor. Make some noise, guys.
Okay. Let's get this shit done. Okay. Okay. Man, एक चीज क्लियर कर देता हूँ, okay? Oh, the crowd is crazy, man. Hey, please give the judge a way. Let him go. Hey, yo! You got a deaf award. Make the win, man.
Wow!
Okay. I'm the best in the town, man. The best in the valley. Okay. Attention over here. Attention. इधर स्टेज पे. सेल्फी लेना है, पार्ट में ले ले. पार्ट में टाइम नहीं लगेगा, bro. Let's get started. Hey, can you change the mic, man? Yo, DJ, change the mic, man. Hello. Okay. Calm down, guys. Calm down. जल्दी खत्म होगा, जल्दी शुरू होगा, जल्दी खत्म होगा. इधर. Okay, judge.
Karimganj.
Hello.
Norbu, brother. Hello. You ready? Okay. Attention over here. Here, stage. Hey, bhai, piche dekh. Okay. Let's start the show. Make some noise. Cape Town 2023. Merry Christmas. So, Abhi. RK Academy, opening dance showcase, Ganesh Vandana. There's some good kids, energetic kids. Make some noise for the kids. Pull up on the stage. Come on. Positions. Music! Kids, over here, over here, over here, over here. Let's take a photo. Come on, come on. एक फोटो सब आ जाओ. Energetic students of RK Academy. Group photo. बनता है वो moment है. Hello. What up?
हेलो, हमारे जज जो जज बैठा है सामने वाला जगह पूरा खाली कर दो प्लीज.
भाई सुनो
पूरा खाली करो ये जगह.
सुनो, तुम्हारा शहर का प्रोग्राम है, अच्छा करना है, खाली कर दो
प्लीज. खाली करो. और अभी कोई सेल्फी नहीं, बाद में प्लीज. अभी कोई सेल्फी नहीं.
ये सामना पूरा खाली कर दीजिए प्लीज. हट जाइए.
बाद में सबको मौका मिलेगा सेल्फी. प्लीज अभी नहीं, प्लीज अभी नीचे जाइए प्लीज.
Hey members, where are the crew members, man?
प्लीज मैं सारे टीम मेंबर को बोल रहा हूँ जगह खाली करो.
जगह खाली कर दो भाई प्लीज.
ये जगह खाली करो प्लीज.
मैं नीचे आऊँ क्या? भाई are you in a white jacket? दीदी, ओ दीदी. Let's go.
सामने से दिया है.
All good.
ओके ऑलवेज.
We are clear. एक फोटो मोमेंट है. क्रू मेंबर, यहाँ से हिलना था, मेरे को नीचे आना पड़ेगा. Okay, we're done. Okay, thank you kids, thank you. Make some noise. अभी let's start जो इवेंट है, जूनियर कैटेगरी डांस कंपटीशन. You guys are ready? Silao, bro, what the? Okay. The first.
हेलो एवरीवन. हेलो गाइस, मैं चाहता हूँ कि ना आप लोग, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोग इतने जैसे आगे मतलब सब लोग खींच रहे हैं फोटो. बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आप अगर जो आने वाले कंटेस्टेंट है ना उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा चीयर करोगे, उनको एनर्जी दोगे ना, तो मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. ऐसा लगेगा मेरा आना सफल हुआ.
That's late, man. That's late.
लेट्स फोकस ऑन द परफॉर्मेंसेस. उसके बाद आई विल मेक श्योर कि सबके साथ फोटो अच्छे से खींच के जाओ. तो यार उन लोग के लिए शेयर करो. ओके, थैंक यू.
ये सामने का खाली रखो, तभी मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा. हाँ You're done, guys. Let's start. So, the first contestant, Vanisha God. Make some noise. Vanisha God. Vanisha God, pull up on the stage. Vanisha.